Good evening, and welcome to the day 4 of our Ikigai Book Chewing. It's an amazing journey, and I'm happy to see a lot of you are start reading and exactly seeing the result. And this is an amazing book, there is no doubt about that. And today's part is the most important part because in today's part, we are going to cover something which is very, very important. How these people, really make it to the 100 plus club. What makes them to live so longer, happy, peaceful, joyful, healthy life? So this is something very, very important. It's not only a long life, but it's a happy life. So if you see this triangle, these are the 5 important points actually out of the when the writer went and took an interview of so many people, and out of them, this is something which is come up. So the first most important principle is given is don't worry. Hurry, worry, and curry is actually a biggest problem of this particular modern world. Hurry, worry, and curry. So the first part is exactly comes into the worry. Then cultivate the good habits. Definitely, that's what you require good habits to really create something great into your life. Nurture your friendship every day. See, one thing is to understand human being is a social animal, and your relatives, friends, and the circle plays a very important role. And if you don't have these people in your life, very different. Live an unhurried life. That's what I told you. Hurry, worry, and curry. So out of that one, this is curry. Means your food part. I'm not explaining here everything because we are going to see that one into the part. And be optimistic. Remember yesterday's statement? I told you that one. Everything can be taken from the human being, but one thing is not can be taken. What is that? What is the word? Please type that word. Let me just see how many of you remember what was that word. Everything can be
Hope,
taken from
Anna.
the human being.
Attitude.
There was some
A-
other word I used exactly.
Anna, it's hope.
Very good. Congratulations. And that was the word called as the hope. Everything can be taken from you, but nobody can take your hope, Asha. So that's what even the meaning, search for meaning. Viktor Frankl's book is the search for humans beings, come meaning for the life, hope. We talk about that therapy, logotherapy, and everything. Everything comes to that one hope. And see, when your Ikigai is clear, your hope is very, 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 very certainly defined. So this is what is the important things about the lifestyle. I want somebody to read one by one point exactly. And these are the very important points that exactly these people in the Okinawa exactly achieved 100 plus year so importantly. So please somebody please read them.
So I'll read.
Yeah, please.
100% of people were interviewed keep a vegetable garden, and most of them also have fields of tea, mangoes,
Shikuwasa.
chiffonals, and so on. All
Yes.
belong to some form of neighborhood association when they feel cared for as to by family.
Just
They
one
celebrate.
second. Now, how many of you read the book? They will understand what is Shikuwasa. How many know what is the Indian fruit for the Shikuwasa? Let me ask the another question quickly. I'm not interested to give you the GAN today. My interest was is to make you to read that book and understand little bit. So that will be very easy for us. So she read the 2 points now. Out of that one, I interested to know about this one. So this
It's a fruit.
100% of them, Shikuwasa.
Yeah, it's a citrus fruit.
Citrus fruit. Yes, absolutely right. So in India, it is very much closer to the Mosambik.
Yeah.
Anyway, so go to the next point.
Okay. They celebrate all the time, even little things. Music, song, and dance are essential part of daily life. They have
Yes.
an important purpose in life or several. They have an ikigai, but they don't take it too seriously. They are relaxed and enjoy all that they do. They are very proud of their tradition and local culture. They are passionate about everything they do. Whoever insignificant it might seem. Local have strong sense of yeah,
Tomorrow.
Yamaru, recognizing the connection between people. They help each other with everything from work in the fields, harvesting sugarcane and planting rice, to build houses and municipal projects. Our friends Miyagi, who ate dinner with us on our last night in town, told us that we have a building a new home with the help of all his friends, and that we could stay there the next time we were in Omigi. They were always busy, but they occupied themselves with tasks they allowed them to relax. We
Relax.
did not see a single old grandparent sitting on a bench doing nothing. They're always coming and going to sing karaoke, visit neighbor, or play the game gate ball.
Awesome. Thank you, Anna. So something very interesting points are given here. And I hope so. It's a self-explanatory, but please understand the most important part is the friendship and a community. So when community stands for everyone, they are accountable for everyone, helping each other. That's really make a big thing into their life. So they comes to even construct their home all together. So can you understand? See, when you are just struggling to do every task on your own, and when the people stands for you, that's a make a big difference exactly. And that's what something a big things into this particular part. Now this figure is self-explanatory, and that's why this book is written, and that's why everything is there. So the life expectancy in Okinawa is actually far beyond all other countries, and even including the Japan. So this is a very special Iceland. So all this book is dedicated to these people. It's not mean there is no people all over the world. There is a 7 blue zone, exactly 5 are very famous. And in this all blue zone, people have the very high lifespan. But more important is not only the lifespan, is the quality of life. And that is what is there is a proof. And that makes the writer to really research and write this book. What makes them so healthy and what makes them to do their own work, go to their garden and work in the morning even when they are 100 years old. This is something very interesting. Now comes to the important part, which was the writer is went and done the study, took the interview of so many people. It's a very big part of the chapter. Lot of information is given in there, but I'm interested to give the crunch. So this is the diet in the blue zone. Very simple. See, their whole most important diet is the vegetable and the fruits. Only vegetable and fruits, and in grains also they eat a white rice that is also with the cover. Means that is something very healthy rice actually. They rarely eat sugar. See, their sugar and the salt consumption is 1/10 of the average of Japan, which itself is very less compared to the all other world. They drink the green tea. Green tea has its own effect, and most important thing is that citrus fruit, shikuwasa. So if you attended my any old programs of the immune booster or anything, if you remember, we are just make you to drink lot of mosambi, oranges, and the lemon juices, correct? So remember that one. These are all the antioxidants and the they are like a God's food. So I'm not going into that one. That's like our area, but this one. Everybody remember this principle. Eat less to live longer. 80%. So remember that one. These people never overfeed their stomach. So even there is a apple pie or there is a sweet at the end of this one. Nowadays, people go to the 5-star hotel or the buffet and they eat so much even they don't require it. How many of you can connect? Please raise your hand if you can see. So this was the diet in the blue zone. That's what I told you that one. It's like a very antioxidant. And these are the most important things they eat exactly. See, this is a jasmine tea, which is very healthy, and the shikuwasa fruit. So these are the two things apart from the tofu, miso, tuna, carrots, goya, kombu, cabbage, nori, onion, soy sprouts, or the gourd exactly, soya beans, sweet potato, peppers, and the sapien chai means jasmine tea. See, the Japanese also has the same word like a chai. And this plant is actually mainly seen in Okinawa. But exactly it's very closer fruits are in Indian is nothing but a citrus fruits, and we have plenty of them. Okay, this is nothing but the same principle I told you. It's nothing but the hara hachibu. Remember, correct? So divide your stomach into the 4 parts. That's what is the Ayurveda principle also. So eat until you are 80% full. Stop. And Sadhguru also talk about this one exactly in his lot of talks. Night time, you never should feel overfeed. You should feel hungry when you actually are going to the sleep. It's a very important principle. Now, if everybody, how many of you read the book? If you read the book, you've seen exactly this part. And exactly, I'm just trying to concentrate a whole that 25-30 pages into the one part. Now, most important things, exercise in the blue zone. They are not talking about making the 6 packs and making the like a very, like a gym body and the, like a dole shole and, like a not that one. That body is of no use. Actually, these people who are making such a body, they die early exactly. But here they talks about the very simple, gentle movement of the body. Like just taking your hand. Now, I cannot take this one, but taking your hand above the ear itself is a big task. There is a study which shows that when in city, a lot of people not even raise their hand. Only when you pick up something from the up, you pick, use the hand. So people who live the longest aren't the ones who do the most exercise, but rather the ones who move the most. So understand that one. And your metabolism slows down 90% after 30 minutes of sitting. And after 2 hours, good cholesterol drops to 20%. Now that's why it's told that one, the sitting is a new smoking. If you really sit the whole day, you are gone. You are gone. That's what you're going to be, have the same hunch and everything. You are gone. So it's shown that one. That's why I recommend the Pareto principle. Everybody remember Pareto principle? Even the writer mentioned about it. So every 30-45 minutes, you have to take a break. 10% time of your break. If you after 14% you're taking, take a 4 minutes minimum break, and that will be helpful a lot. Now here, if you see there, the writer actually, Vector Gracia exactly explain you so many things. Like first, which is actually we are using also, and everybody knows about it, is a Taiso. And we have done the Taiso practically in the morning ritual. Such a simple, beautiful moment, but that itself is enough to give you the beautiful effect on your body. Then second part, the writer is explained in a very great detail is the yoga. Even he explained Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Raj Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and everything. And at the end, he told about how much importance the yoga. And actually, Japan is the second country actually which has the most yoga practitioner on an average. Then he explained the Surya Namaskar there. That's we do every day in the morning ritual. Now, please understand that one. This is all Indian traditions and these are all there. And then again, if you see the martial art, Tai Chi, Qigong, or the Sitasu, these are the all different form of the energy flow and everything. So definitely I'm not going to explain you everything, because if you just practice one practice out of them, a simple Taiso for 1 or 2 days and 2 or 3 days Surya Namaskar and 20 minutes, I think so that is more than enough for your all the joints. Today I will take some questions instead of explaining you everything. Let me take some questions. And this is what is exactly the study I was talking about, and this is practically done. So your metabolism, see, plus understand, if you really want to lose the weight, then it's not required to go a lot of exercise, but just coming out of the chair and walking, stretching your hand, like or moving your body left and right, and then momentum, that itself is enough exactly. So just getting up for 5 minutes is going to be change the game. But on an average, people don't do. People are just keep on seeing the TV for 4-5 hours. People are just doing all these things, and they are very dangerous for your health. Nothing else is required. That is more dangerous than anything else in the life. And again, these 10 points, I know everybody knows about these 10 points. So we are doing about that one. And I really want you to everybody to find out their ikigai, what may come. And this was the extra effort from our side to really give you that effect. Now, let's come back to the questions and answer. So if anybody has 1 or 2 questions or answer, so please type in the chat box or raise your hand and we'll take them. And remember, this is a marvelous, life-changing book. I'll tell you that one, it's taking to the different level. My life is taking another different level of transformation. I'm honestly telling you that one. So that's what yesterday also we discussed. The book, you should go and digest it. It is not just the reading. Oh, I read 10,000 books, but not a single book is actually come into my part. You are not implemented, then it's not a use. So we'll take 2 questions and then we'll done for the day. But my honest request, now whatever you've done till now, if you're not completed, but please read the last chapter and the last pages. The last chapter actually deal with your mind. It have the beautiful concept of the resilience, how you bounce back, how you fight with the odd circumstances. But beautiful part is given is exactly that, anti-fragility, unfragile. And I'll tell you that is a beautiful concept. So given the example of the Hercules and everything, tomorrow we're going to cover, and that is a life-changing lesson. Life-changing lessons. He's given you the beautiful concept of the life, Buddhism, and Syotism, and mainly the life lesson exactly. How you can really enjoy this life, even there is a odd circumstances. This is the same statement. Everything can be taken from you, but your response and your action cannot be taken out from anybody. So that's it from my side. So thank you guys. So any questions? So we'll take 2 questions in the chat box, or else we are good to go for that one. So I want everybody to just have the last prayer. So this prayer is mentioned into the book actually if you go to the last chapter. So my request, if you don't the book, please do it. Actually, just for reading, you can just read quickly Purnima. We'll go before. So 1 question from Purnima and we'll do for the day.
So the question is, so if you read the testimonies that is there in the book, people who have lived
Case
about
studies.
100
Yeah.
years,
Yes.
they seem to be doing very normal work. So what we have to do if we have bigger purpose? Is the normal activity like them is suffice?
What is mean by bigger purpose for you? See, for them, it's a very beautiful part. Even they mention about the gardening. and that vegetables and the fruits. Can you understand? See that vegetable fruits itself is their second source of income. And actually they full like a normal life. What is meant by normal life? And what is meant by abnormal life? That is a good question. See, they are exactly always has a community to support. So they always go and smile. They don't expect for anybody's recognition. That look like a small things, but that is a very bigger purpose. And everybody in that town has the ikigai. If you understand that one, he not explain you too much about their ikigai, because ikigai is a very normal things in Japan. And in Okinawa, everybody know their ikigai. And every work they do like a that 100%. So what you feel that normal, it's a very abnormal for the normal people into the other world. So actually they're living very abnormal, very fantastic life actually in one way, but a very normal way. So you are not understanding what is meant by their ikigai. Even they do that micro flow, mundane activity. Even it is to clean the vessels, they will do such a way that what you cannot imagine. Everything is 100%. So giving 100% into that moment. So that is a secret exactly. So you don't require anything else apart from that one. This, yes, Mr. Uma Shankar. So last question. We'll just finish it.
Thank you, Rakesh, because after a long time I attended, but
Ah.
that particular time was not sufficient. So what I want to ask you is this Ikigai book reading program, what you are conducting now, this will go on for another 1 week, or how is it?
No, tomorrow is the last day actually, because we are completed the 106 pages by today now. And tomorrow is the last session. And after that one, after that one, we have Saturday, Sunday practical workshop. And that's what is the most important part. This was like an extra session. But actually, I'm just thinking to continue some book reading activity if possible. But actually, people don't read the book. That is the biggest problem.
Correct. Because I attended both Ikigai 1 and 2 last time. But later, because of other works, I was just, as you rightly told, I am